There are different ways you can do it. There's one fellow that has a table and 2 chairs, and there's a mic and a camera, and he does this in Los Angeles. There's another fellow in France that does my setup, where he has a GoPro and a little whiteboard and a timer, and he just initiates talks with people, just hey, strangers walking by. So I have a camera. I actually made a video of a behind the scenes that gets into the mechanics of it, like the equipment that I chose, and I point the camera down until they consent to be recorded, and then I flip it up. I love the idea of a timer, because a lot of people, oh my gosh, at least where I'm at in Texas, 1 out of 3 people will agree to a conversation, even though they can see that I have like a camera and not yet recording them. Many people just want to talk about it. They're curious. Oh, he's doing a survey, and there's a timer, and he's only saying it's 5 minutes. There's not a big commitment here. And the timer is good too for me, because if it's just, the person is just maybe being insincere, or they want to preach at me, or they're just not really into the talk, 5 minutes goes off and I can just move to the next person.